Today we have an interesting unboxing because P.Louise sent me the wrong order quite a few times, and they let me keep all the stuff that was wrongly sent to me, but I want to explain how we got all the stuff. Now, if these boxes don't look familiar to you, these are the budget boxes of the last previous months. And what happened was I ended up ordering the June budget box because it has a gorgeous palette in it, and that budget box is unopened right here. But I just got it a few days ago because they ended up sending me the July budget box instead of the June budget box. And I emailed customer service, like, hey guys, you sent me the wrong box. And the way the budget box used to work is that you would buy your box a month before it arrived, so it will be named after the previous month. So the August you get in September, September you get in October, therefore. They changed that. I didn't know that they changed that, and I believe that was the mix-up with my box. So we're gonna unbox this. But I ended up getting their little sparkle budget box, which is Wings of Wonder. And then they're like, oh my god, I'm so sorry, we sent you the wrong one. Let's resend you, keep it, like, because I paid for it. This is paid for. So they resend me what is supposed to be this blue box on the bottom. They send me the current budget box that is out this month. And I guess I'll go through this one first. But yeah, so I emailed them again. I sent screenshots and was like, okay, hey, I know times are hard, things are busy. Y'all are busy over there in the castle of P.Louise. I get it. And literally immediately the next day, Emily emails me and she's like, I am so sorry, and immediately sent out my box. And I'm in America. This came in like a few days, so hats off to P.Louise customer service. And she also confirmed that I could keep everything. So I want to show you guys everything because I'm so excited because I have not opened anything. Like, this literally still has a seal on it. This doesn't have the seal on it. Something arrived in here broken. It's fine. We all fix it. And then this one, I literally just got like a few days before this one. So I'm like so excited to show you this. And I've gotten quite a few budget boxes before because I do the monthly subscription. And if you want to get introduced to P.Louise, this is all the stuff I have from her past budget boxes I haven't opened. I've really thought about doing a giveaway with some of this. Some of the stuff I am going to keep, but we're going to go through it after we go through our budget boxes. I will do that in a separate video. So if you made it this far, my name is Zaria. I'm a makeup enthusiast. I'm a makeup artist. I have a little bit more makeup than anybody else, but I still love makeup, and anything I don't keep usually gets donated. It goes somewhere. Everything gets a loving home. Let's start with the Talk to Me Juicy box. It matches my glasses. Love it. So I'm gonna give you an overview of this box because I'm gonna have to pop off my little nail rings to take everything out of the boxes to show you the product. This is mainly like skincare in here. Sometimes they have mostly makeup, sometimes they have like mostly skincare in their boxes. You can see the box before it comes out, and if you have the monthly subscription, you can actually choose to skip a box. If you paid for like a 12-month subscription or a 6-month, I don't know if you can skip a box, but it saves you the money. So if you don't want the product, you just skip a box. You don't have to have the box. With the handy dandy pair of tweezers, everything's open. Let's get into it. First is this hand cream. It is a watermelon scented hand cream, and this is my best British accent. It's pink and it smells like bubblegum, like Hubba Bubba gum. This smells like bubblegum, but it is not an overwhelming scent. Some of their products have like scents that are too strong for me, and I definitely just give them away. And it has a keychain, so you can put it on. Ooh, smells good and it feels good. Their skin products always feel good. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so this is a, let me not lie to y'all, a vitamin C face cream. Came in this box. I actually keep my boxes and I put them on a wall in a decorative order. Pretty cool. I definitely want to show that off sometime. Anyways, we got a watermelon face cream. I'm not going to open it because it's just going to fast forward the shelf life of it. But I think this is cute. And it's glass. I don't think I have glass P.Louise things. Okay, girl, I see you with the glass. This is a water spray. Whatever that is, make a multi-use spray that can be used on your face and body to refresh, calm, soften your skin, adding moisture and improving dryness. This is like something cute to keep in the car because I got dry skin. Okay, we are almost at 5 minutes. Let's go. This is a Glow Dew Serum. They gave us a serum a few months ago. Anyways, everything's watermelon. It is so cute. Oh my god. And I'm not going to open it right now, but that's what we got. We got my little stubby fingernails too. This is a body cream. This is all like, this is not makeup. I usually skip the boxes that aren't makeup. But I basically got this one free. So it's a win-win. This is a body cream. Oh, and it's in the, oh, it's in like their primer. These are their primers. I love their primers. It's in like their primer type of tube. Really good. I know this is gonna smell amazing. The last thing in here is a lip plumping mask with a keychain on it. I actually don't know what this is. And I don't know how to open it either. What the heck? What is this? 1 second. It's a twisty thing. Okay, so it twists out. I guess since I have some, I'll just put it on top of my lip gloss. I like lip mask. I don't even. Oh, that's such a pretty color. Okay, so this is the lip mask. It smells exactly like the hand cream. I'm assuming everything just has the same scent. It is not overwhelming smell either. So I want to just rate this box. I will give this box maybe like a set. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. But if I was to look at it and be like, do I want it? Because I was gonna skip it. I would have gave it like a 4. But these products seem pretty good actually, and I'm excited to try them. And I really love the scent. The next box is the Wings of Wonder, which has all the sparkly goodness in it. I am so excited for this. Oh my gosh. Here's what's in this box. I also have this. I don't believe that the Say It With Your Chest came with this, but if it did, this might have came with this, but if it didn't, then ignore that. First thing is this lip drip. It is so cute, and look at that. Look at that. Look at that looks. Look at that looks. Look at that looks. So cute. I already have the lip mask on, but not gonna hurt. Oh, this smells good too. I love their lip products. They have amazing lip products. This is the Whatever the Feather palette. It is a palette for eye and face. It is all sparkly. One of these shades in here is broken, so I'm not gonna punch y'all on that. But so cute. I don't like plastic packaging because I feel like the shadows, especially with their shimmer, will break a lot easier. But I already have eyeshadow on. But let's just put that. Ooh, this is the broken one. So it's just it's so pigmented, and I just used like a couple of dabs. And I believe that all these products are still available separately, but I feel like you get it in the budget box for such a discounted rate. Like, you really can't beat it. So we have a body oil here, a glitter body oil, and a bubble primer. I really do love their primers. It says blurs imperfections, minimizes pores, and creates the perfect base. So I'm excited to try this. Again, I love their primers. I think they are very underrated. They have nice body oils in like different packaging, so I'm pretty sure this is just going to be as good as any body oil. This next is, okay, next is this loose pigment set, and it has 3 in here, I believe. Let's take it out. Oh my god, so we're gonna have to do a second video, guys, because we are at 8 minutes and 46 seconds. But ooh, so these are just golden. It's like a champagne, a silver, and a gold pigment, and I cannot wait to use this. Y'all know I love my pigments. Y'all know I love my pigments. And the box is so cute. I'm literally gonna keep it and Velcro it to my wall. Like, why not? I got a Glisten to Your Heart liner in First Dance. Again, like that might have came in this box, but it was in this box, so it came in the box. Last thing is this glitter lip balm. Oh my gosh, let me show you. Twinkle Tint is what it's called, and I've seen my girl swatch it. Bitch, look at that. Look at that. This is a glitter lip balm. It's going in my purse. It is going in my purse. So we got through the 2 boxes I didn't order. Go to the next video to go through everything I actually did order. Okay, see you there.